Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of your Google Play Store on an Android device. So you have an Android device, you use the Play Store to download apps and games on Android device. So you use the Google account to log into your Play Store. You use multiple accounts in that Play Store, and now you want to log out one of this account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of your Google Play Store in an Android device in a very easy way. It's a very simple process that I'm going to show you. Follow the simple steps and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out of your Google Play Store is open your Google Play application. Once you open the Google Play application, what you want to do is tap on the account icon on the top right corner. From here, tap on the account that is logged in. Then from the drop down menu, tap on manage accounts on this device. Once you tap on manage account on this device, you'll be redirected to the phone settings and you'll see all the accounts that are logged into your settings. So now from here, select the Google account that you want to log out and tap on that Google account. Once you do that, you'll land in an interface like this. From here, tap on the remove account button. So to log out of a Google Play Store, obviously you need to remove your account from your Android phone. So if you're using that Google account for some other applications or some other uses, I'll suggest you not to log out, but if you really want to log out, tap on the remove account button from the pop-up warning. Once you do that, your Google account will be removed from your Android device and you'll successfully log out of your Google Play Store. So that was the simple steps in order to log out of your Google Play Store in an Android device. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.